Well, okay, so we have reached Poda, and it's called Mount Poda, and right now it's raining, and the weather has suddenly turned upside down. First, there was so much scorching heat, sunlight, and now suddenly this you see the thunder. Can you hear the thunder? So there is an island behind me. It's like the James Bond island, but it isn't the James Bond island. See that? That is not the James Bond island, but it looks like on it. It's extremely beautiful. It's really beautiful. So uh, this is actually the national park of Krabi. You can see people taking pictures with that. I'll give you a little selfie tour of this place where I am. Take you a little bit into the water, and oh, it's my sixth time visiting Thailand, but this is my first time visiting Krabi or Koh Phi Phi. So I was visiting Koh Phi Phi in Krabi, but here I am standing in the water now, and this island looks extremely beautiful, and it's drizzling now. So I'm hoping that there will be some thunder. As you can see, the clouds building up, and now it's starting to rain more and more. So I think I have to find a shade. Wow, it's really, it's downpour. It's really raining a lot now. So I better find a shelter. Although I'm already wet, I've done snorkeling, and so I'm already wet. But anyways, I gotta get safe from this rain. So that's all for now.